Hello, my dear students. This is our new lesson and it's talking about operations on integer powers. Operations on integer powers, we will talk about addition and subtraction, multiplication and division, and the order of these operations using calculators and without calculators. And let's start with our first question, and it says find in the simplest form 2 power negative 3 by 3 power negative 2 divided 6 power negative 4. We want to find the solution in the simplest form. 2 power negative 3 times 3 power negative 2. Yes, we don't have a common base. The first base is 2 and the second base is 3, so we can't add the powers. So what we can do, we can write it as follows: 2 power negative 3 by 3 power negative 2 divided 6 can be written as 2 power negative 4 times 3 power negative 4. Yes, we distributed the power over 6. 6, which is equal to power 3. So it's equal to power negative 4 times 3 power negative 4. And again, we have a common base is 2 and a common base is 3. We will take one of them. And then divide negative 3 minus negative 4, which is negative 3 plus 4, which is 1. And negative 2 minus negative 4, which is positive 2. So now we have 2 by 3 power 2, which is equal 9. And now we have the final result equal 2 by 9, which is equal 18. And now we are moving to another question, and it says 3 power x times 8 power x divided 12 power x plus 1, and it's equal 1 over 3. So now how to find the value of x? This is our question, is to find the value of x. On the left hand side we have 3 power x times 8 power x. Yes, that's very good. We have 8, which is equal to power 3. So we can plot it as the following: 3 power x times 2 power 3x. That's very good. And then in the denominator we have 12. 12 can be written as 3 by 4. So we have 3 power x plus 1 times 4 power x plus 1. And then in the right hand side we have 1 over 3. 1 over 3 can be written as 3. Yes, that's very good. Power negative 1. So on the left hand side we have a common basis 3, and then we have 4. 4 can be written as 2 power 2. So we have 3x minus x plus 1, and then we have 2 times 2 power 3x minus, we can write 4 as 2 power 2x plus 2. 4 can be written as 2 power 2x plus 2, because 4 equal 2 squared. We can write 2 power 2x plus 2. And then we have a common base, which is 2. And then we have to subtract the powers. And then we have 3x minus 2x plus 2. And the right hand side, we have 3 power minus 1. So we have 3 power x minus x, which is equal 0 and negative 1. And then 2 power 3x minus 2x, which is equal x, and negative 2, negative by 2, which is negative 2, so 2 power x negative 2, and then we have in the right hand side 3 power negative 1. We can divide by 3 power negative 1, and then we have 2 power x minus 2, which is equal 1. That's very good, by dividing the two sides by 3 power negative 1. So 1 can be written as 2 power 0, and we have 2 power x minus 2. So the first power x minus 2 equals 0, and then x equal, yes, that's very good, you are excellent students, x equal positive 2, and this is the value of x in our question. And now we have another question, and it's saying if a equal root 2 and b equal root 3, find the numerical value of. We have an expression which is b power 4 minus a power 4 divided b power 2 plus a squared. So you are going to compensate about a and b. So we have b power 4 can be cancelled, and instead of it we can write, yes, b equal root 3, which is root 3 all power 4 can be written power 2 all power 2. Yes, power 4 can be written power 2 all power 2. And also by the same way, a, which is root 2, we can write root 2 power 2 all power 2. In the denominator we can write also root 2 root 3 all power 2 plus root 2 all power 2, and then simplify the numerator and the denominator. So we have root 2 can be cancelled with the squaring power, and root 2 can be cancelled with power 2, and then we have 3 power 2 which is equal 9 minus 2 power 2 which is equal 4, and then we have 3 plus 2 which is equal 5. 9 minus 4 equal what? Yes, equal 5. 5 over 5 which is equal 1. So the value of this expression equal 1, or the value of this fraction equal 1. That's very good. In the same question we have number B, and it says a power 3 plus b power 3 divided a plus b. Yes. Now you are going to ask yourself, power 3 can't be written 2 by what? No, it can't be written 2 by any number. So what are you going to do? Please concentrate with me very good. It's very important question. Yeah, I'm hearing someone saying, Mr. We can factorize the numerator as a sum of two cubes. Yeah, we remembered factorization by the sum of two cubes. Yes, we can take a plus b without power 3. We can cancel power 3, and then in the second brackets we can write the first term squared, a squared, which is a squared, and then the last term squared, which is b squared, and use a different sign. We can write negative and a by b, which is ab, and the last term is always plus positive, and we have in the denominator a plus b, so we can cancel a plus b from the numerator and denominator, and then we have a power 2 minus ab plus b power 2. What about a and b? A, which is root 2 squared, that's very good, minus ab, which is root 2 times root 3, and we have plus b squared, which is root 3 squared, root 3 squared, and then we have root 2 squared, which is 2, plus root 3 squared, which is 3, and then negative root 2 by root 3, which is root 2 by 3. So we have 2 plus 3, which is equal 5, minus 2 root 2 by 3, which is root 6. And now we have another question, and this is the last question for today's lesson, and it says if we have 6 power positive 2n by 2 power positive 2n, and then we have in the denominator 4 power 2n times 3 power 2n plus 4, which is equal 9 power negative x. Find the value of x. That's very good. We have 6. 6 can be written as 2 by 3, and then we have 2 by power 2n by 3 power 2n by 2 power 2n, and then in the denominator we have also 4, which is can be written as 2 power 2, yes, 2 power 2, 2 by 2, which is equal 4n, and by 3 power 2n plus 4, and in the right hand side we can write 9 power negative x, which is 3 power negative 2x. And the left hand side we have 2 power n times 2 power n, which is 2 power 4n, 2n plus 2n, which is 4n. So equal, in the left hand side, 2 power 4n. Again, we have 2 power 2n and 2 power 2n, which is 2 power 4n times 3 power n to n. In the denominator we have 2 power 4n by 3 power 2n plus 4. In the right hand side we have 3 power negative 2x. So we have a common basis, which is 2. 2 power 4n can be cancelled with 2 power 4n, and so we have 3 as a common base. We can subtract the powers from the denominator and numerator, so 2n minus 2n, 2n minus 2n 0, minus 4, which is negative 4. So we have 3 power negative 4 equals 3 power negative 2x. So negative 4 must be equal negative 2x. So x must be equal 2. So this is the value of x. And this is the end of our today's lesson. Thank you so much.